Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to see your account history on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. You may occasionally wish to review your history and retain a note of all the changes you've made to your Instagram since you first opened it. Instagram gives you the option to review or make changes to your account history. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Your Activity. On Your Activity page, tap on Account History. Here you can see all of your account history. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to see your account history on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.